In this video, I'm sharing my 10 favorite shortcuts on TradingView. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The first shortcut is the quick symbol search. On Windows, press Ctrl and K, or on a Mac, press Command and K. Type the name of any drawing tool or indicator and hit Enter to load it. This is the fastest way to search for a tool. Number 2 is a shortcut to quickly open indicators and strategies. Press the / button to instantly open the Indicators and Strategies menu. Now, you can type the name of any indicator you like, and it will display the nearest matches. Number 3. Loading a saved layout. Pressing the full stop or period button will open the saved chart layout menu. This is great if you use one chart set up for analysis and want to quickly move to a different screen layout for placing and managing a trade. Number 4. Adding the current ticker or symbol to a watch list. On Windows, click Alt and W, or on a Mac, press Option and W. You'll see the current ticker automatically add into your active watch list on the right of the screen. Number 5. This hack consists of 5 shortcuts to access the most useful drawing tools for quickly marking up a chart. To quickly draw a trend line, press Alt and T on Windows or Option and T on a Mac. Hover over the point where you want the line to begin and click the left mouse button. Release and click where you want the line to end. To draw a horizontal line, click Alt and H or Option and H. This is great for quickly drawing support and resistance lines. You can then either edit the line using the menu above or right-click on the line and select Settings. To draw a vertical line, click Alt and V or Option and V. This is great for marking the time of news events or a trading window. Again, you can add text or edit it by right-clicking on the line and selecting Settings. To draw a quick Fibonacci retracement, click on Alt and F or Option and F. Left-click the swing low point and drag the fib to the swing high. Then left-click again. The last hack creates a crosshair to precisely mark a point. Click on Alt and C or Option and C. This locks a precise crosshair, so you can read price and time cleanly. Shortcut number 6. Automatically centers or resets the chart view. Click on Alt and R or Option and R. Number 7. This shortcut lets you quickly save the chart layout. Click on Ctrl and S or Command and S. Your indicators, drawings, and settings will be saved. Number 8. Undo and redo. To undo an action, click Ctrl and Z on Windows or Command and Z on a Mac. To redo an action, click Ctrl and Y or Command and Y on a Mac. Number 9. Opening the alert panel to create a new alert. Click on Alt and A or Option and A on a Mac. This opens the Create Alert dialog box at the current chart level or selected tool. If you'd like more details on how to set up alerts, then check out our video on how to add alerts on TradingView. And finally, number 10. A shortcut to hide all drawing tools. Click on Ctrl, Alt and H or Command, Option and H. This will instantly hide all drawing objects on your chart. Press the same keys again to bring them back. If you forget any of these shortcuts, you can click the question mark icon in the bottom right corner of the chart to look them up. So now you know more than 10 great shortcuts in TradingView. If you received value from this video, please click the like and subscribe button. There's a link in the description if you'd like to open a free or paid TradingView account. Also, don't forget to download the free cheat sheet in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.